everyone, my name is Oliver, and today I'll tell you why prop firms are pushing traders to complete their challenges in unrealistic times, and I'll explain why that is ruining your chances of long-term success. So, let's find out together why 99% of traders fail to earn money on their challenges. In the past 3 to 4 years, prop firms have become incredibly popular, and their popularity amongst traders has raised the bar for new and emerging prop firms. While this is a huge plus to all the retail traders, the truth is that only about 1% of all traders actually pass the first stage, and only about 1% keep their accounts for more than just a couple of weeks. So statistically, only 1 out of every few thousand traders is actually continuously and consistently making money on their accounts. Why is that? Well, there's multiple reasons why. For one, traders think that they can complete these challenges in just a few days. Doing that, they believe that they'll make huge profits just like they see in the ads. And so they rush ahead with no good strategy or perfected risk management. It should be obvious to everyone why that is not a good idea. And secondly, the worst part is that prop firms indirectly support or even force traders to gamble with their money, making it nearly impossible for you not to lose it. They do this by setting their challenges up with unrealistically short time limits and high profit targets, which puts pressure on you, the trader. On top of that, these prop firms are continuously showing and promoting the lucky few who make astronomical profits in the span of just a few months. In doing so, they have created a dangerous and unrealistic expectation for most traders. These days, traders expect that they'll be making lots of money very quickly. Due to prop firms setting up tight time limits on their challenges, it is incredibly difficult to find any good strategy or some sort of risk management. Instead of focusing on the long-term growth, you're rushed to the profit target before the time limit runs out and you lose your account. Because of this, traders can't create a good risk management system for their strategy, and instead they have to resort to gambling. And so only the traders who can somehow find a few lucky setups or those who just get lucky gambling are the only traders who actually make it through these challenges. All of that while the remaining 99% of people fail. So if you are a responsible trader who doesn't risk a lot, you are pretty much guaranteed to fail. Even though 99% of traders are losing money, they still try again and again without changing anything, thinking that this time it's gonna be different. Traders all over the world continue doing this, and I can't understand why. Because why would you work hard and spend your precious time working and building a good track record that takes years to do when you see people making hundreds of thousands of dollars in the span of just a few months? We've all seen the adverts, we've all seen the videos. People want it now and people want it easy. Unfortunately, you are being sold a fantasy. Traders are so used to gambling that even if they get lucky one time and pass the challenge and even make some real money, what then? Since they got there by gambling, they keep on gambling and trading with extremely high risk. All that while they are rushing to the next profit target as they want to have a bigger account, as they've seen somebody make 200,000 in a month or $1 million, or there's no roof to this, there's no limit. So even if these kinds of people make it big one time, they make one big profitable month, they are most likely to lose all of that money because they don't change their ways and they keep on gambling. At the end of the day, no one can keep getting lucky forever. And just like the people who win in the lottery, most of the traders who get a one-time big win end up with no money in the span of just a few months. There is simply no future for you in a system which is designed for you to lose money. And so we have to ask, is there a better way to do things? There is. First, traders need to stop rushing into profit targets in just a few days. Instead, they need to learn how to trade in a way that's responsible, consistent, and realistic. Then, you need to find a prop firm which doesn't place pressure on you to rush ahead and gamble away your profits. While it is possible to make a quick buck from risking a lot, it is not a method that will last or will help you further in your career. It is better to take your time and build up a consistent track record. And while it may not be as attractive or as flashy as making $100,000 in your first month of trading, you can't rely on luck forever. Actually, you can't really rely on luck. That's the definition. Instead, trading with us is all about being steady and focused on the long-term view. Because even if you pass a challenge, what good is some sort of certificate that you've passed it if you did so by rushing and trading with extremely high risk? No investor will ever want to invest in something like that. And even more importantly, you can never get a proper audited track record if you're trading on a demo account. Instead, if you trade with us, you get a real track record from KPMG, one of the most respected auditors in the world. I mean, go Google it if you don't know how important these guys are in the world of finance. We've made a full video just on the topic of KPMG and track records. It is really important that you actually have one. So even if you want to leave our prop firm and go trade elsewhere, whether that be a hedge fund, bank, maybe a family office, you will always have something to show that you're skilled at trading. You will gain a real piece of value, as only when you trade responsibly, with low risk, and most importantly, real money, only then you'll be able to find investors and other career opportunities. And like I said, most important of all, if you trade with us, you're trading with real money. That means being able to get a track record, but even more importantly, we don't want you to lose our money. Therefore, our interests are actually aligned, and that is reflected in the rules that we prepared and the importance that we put on you managing your own risk. We're never going to force you into some sort of time limit, and we don't have crazy profit expectations. We want you to build a long-term career with us, and we want to see you succeed. So which way do you think is better, gambling or building a future? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And if you want to learn more about us, feel free to message our 24/7 live chat or send us an email at info@luxtradingfirm.com. My name has been Oliver. Thank you for watching and have a great one.